Bend the neck, na? Bend the neck and roll over, no? Yan. Then, arrange airway, no? Arrange airway. Arrange airway for continuous breathing, no? Pag nakaganyan na, tuloy-tuloy ang paghinga, no? Then, the arm should be at right angle, no? And the leg also at right angle, no? Right angle, no? Yan ang inyong recovery position. Now, sa inyong shock management, ang sabi, okay, alright, now, ganyan ulit, no? Okay, shock management is lay down, no? Lay down the victim on a flat surface, both arms on his side, then elevate. So, elevate the feet, no? Tulad ng chair. Yan. Sa una pa man lang yan, is talagang ikaw mag-ano. Pero pag marami na, marunong na yung biktima. Siya na mismo magtaas ng paa niya. Natuto yung biktima kay siya ano eh. Magawa eh, no? So then, no? Elevate the feet 12 inches and loosen any tight clothing and cover, no? Cover with blanket, cover with blanket to avoid chilling. So, ganyan na. Yan tayo ikaw na. So, ito na tayo.